You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this chain of fast casual Tex-Mex restaurants in the US. If you want to learn more confusing Mexican dish names, stay tuned. I've got tons more for you at the end. Pancheros, the Mexican or Spanish pronunciation. Pancheros. Pancheros, with a stress on the second syllable. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, if you cannot say Pancheros, you can say it in English, the pronunciation. Pancheros. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.